Ever struggled to crush ice perfectly for smoothies or frozen drinks? I used to spend forever blending, only to end up with uneven, chunky results. So frustrating. Then I discovered the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. Game changer alert. Its powerful 1400 peak watt motor and total crushing blades immediately caught my eye. I mean, who doesn't want snow-like ice at the simple touch of a button? Now I whip up smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and even homemade ice cream effortlessly. No more standing there, shaking the blender or scraping the sides endlessly. The Auto IQ preset programs? Absolutely brilliant. Just press a button and let the Ninja think for you. It automatically adjusts blending, pulsing, and pausing patterns to deliver perfect consistency. Whether it's a green smoothie, a frozen margarita, or a thick milkshake, this blender nails it every time. Plus, the generous 72-ounce pitcher makes it easy to prep large batches for family gatherings, parties, or meal prepping. No more blending in multiple rounds. Cleanup is a breeze, too. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe parts mean you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying. And it's not just powerful, it's sleek. This blender actually looks great sitting on your kitchen counter. Imagine creating cafe-quality frozen treats, creamy smoothies, and icy drinks from the comfort of your own home, every day. Why settle for less when the Ninja BN701 makes it effortless? Ready to blend like a pro? Grab your Ninja BN701 today and taste the difference.